Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is launch of Bharat Pol portal. Union Home Minister launched Bharat Pol, a new portal developed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. This portal is designed to help catch criminals who flee abroad and enhance international cooperation between Indian authorities and global law enforcement similar to Interpol's system. The portal's primary objective is to help law enforcement agencies across India swiftly address crimes that cross national borders, facilitating real-time access to critical international crime-fighting resources. Drishti IAS is elated to announce new offline batches for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains at its Noida center. The English medium batch starts from 9th of January, while the Hindi medium batch starts from 16th of January. For more information, call us at 87501 87501. What is Bharat Pol and how does it work? Developed by the CBI, the Bharat Pol portal will allow police forces from states, union territories and central agencies to quickly and efficiently send requests to Interpol for information on fugitives hiding abroad or any other relevant matters. The portal aims to tackle transnational crimes like cybercrime, human trafficking, financial fraud and drug trafficking. The Bharat Pol portal will significantly facilitate Indian law enforcement agencies, enabling real-time information sharing for faster access to international police assistance. The portal enables quick international cooperation, including issuing red notices and other Interpol notices. Benefits of Bharat Pol for Indian law enforcement. Bharat Pol will facilitate faster extradition or deportation of criminals fleeing abroad, especially with India's new criminal law provisions. By centralizing communication on a digital platform, Bharat Pol eliminates inefficiencies such as reliance on emails, letters and faxes. The portal will help speed up investigations into crimes that cross national borders by enabling quicker access to international support. Bharat Pol is expected to improve coordination and allow Indian police forces to tackle global criminal activities more effectively. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the primary function of the Bharat Pol portal? To manage Indian police resources, to enhance communication with Interpol, to track criminals within India, or to issue arrest warrants? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.